20 years ago when it felt like everyone was dismissing religion and talking about how terrible it was. Well, now I think there's an open door to having really good conversations with people. And so I would say this is the opportunity to be bold, not in a kind of antagonistic or dismissive way, but to sort of listen, but also tell our story more confidently. Because I think people are ready to hear the story again. So I would say that's one simple thing you can do. And the research is telling us, if you invite someone to church, they're way more likely to say yes now. 1 in 3 people will likely say yes if you invited them tomorrow to your church. So there's a lot of people out there, it turns out, who are open to talking about faith and to even stepping inside a church building.